Hi guys, welcome once again to DJEMTECH Systems, and I'm the CEO of DJEMTECH Systems. My name is Orowa Dominic, and a lot of people have been asking on our social media what exactly we do. And what we do is we help businesses survive online. We have to create a system that can allow businesses to thrive online and allow businesses to take advantage of the internet media to scale their businesses. And what does this actually mean? We actually give you every single tool you are going to need for your businesses to succeed online. If it has to do with a website, if it's branding solutions, if it's selling your products online, getting more customers to see your products, and getting customers to buy your products, we actually do that. We create good contents for your campaign, your online campaign, Facebook ads, Instagram ads. We graphics representations of your business, graphic materials that actually pass out the brand messages out to your customers, your audience, and all of that. We do all that, and we actually teach people also how to build these solutions. So this is what we do here in the DJEMTECH Systems, and we don't only do that. We are a social brand, so we try as much as possible to engage more with our audience, with our clients, with our customers on all our social media platforms. You can find out more information about us on www.djemtechsystems.com.ng. That's our website. You can go there, or you can send us an email on info@djemtechsystems.com.ng. Follow us on our Instagram, our Facebook pages, our Twitter pages, and also our LinkedIn pages, so we can actually communicate with you guys. The more engagement we have from you guys, the more we know how to help people. We have decided for the year of 2019 we are going to be helping a lot of people, giving value to those people out there. And how we plan to do this is we're going to be giving out tips, tutorials on how to scale your business online, how to make use of the internet media. A lot of people have tons and tons of followers on Instagram, on Facebook, on Twitter, but they don't know how to actually scale their businesses with this kind of followings. There are a lot of people that are very social, but being social is not just enough. You have to be able to close a deal with your customer. Now, we're going to help you leverage on those followers you already have. For those of you who don't have followers, we're going to explain to you how to get actually real followers, not people that come and follow you just because you're giving out items, or people because you are doing promo on your page and all those things. No, we're going to be giving out tips on how you can get people who actually patronize you, who are actually willing to patronize, who are actually willing to buy your product, who are actually following you because of they need your services. Those are the kind of things. So people will follow you just because they need tips. They want to be seeing your designs so that they can actually, they are designers, but they want to be seeing your designs because they want to actually implement those designs on their own. They want to be learning from what you are doing. And from time to time, we are into the activities involved in these solutions include web design, graphics design, digital marketing, social media management, brand message strategy, content strategies, and all of that is involved in what we do. Those are the kind of packages we run here, and if you are willing to learn these things, just keep following us on our page, keep engaging with our page. With time, you get to know. We are going to be putting a YouTube link on our bio, so you can actually see the link to our YouTube channel, because most of our solutions may be long, most of our videos may be longer than just 1 minute. So instead of you having cut and we're trying to swipe left, we are going to be doing a full video and we're going to put it into our YouTube page. So if you are going to be learning, if you want to keep getting these tips from us, you have to keep on following us, because we are going to be posting on our pages before they can go to the YouTube channel. So if you go to our YouTube channel, please do well to subscribe on our YouTube channel, because we are just going to be doing a lot of things for you guys. We have dedicated 2019 in giving value to your business, and that's what we're going to do today. So I hope you have a nice day, and keep following us, and keep dropping comments on some of the issues you're going to be having with your devices, whether it's a phone, a laptop, issues you encounter when, if you're a blogger, issues you encounter when blogging, how to scale how to make your blog visible on search engines and all of those things. So just keep it coming. We're here to serve you. We're here to do. We're here to make your business grow better. And I just wish you guys a happy day and happy weekend. Have a nice day and a lovely weekend. Probably sometime next week we are going to be doing a short, brief video on what hashtag is. A lot of people use hashtags, but they don't really know what it does, what it is. And if you're going to be if you want to be part of that video, we're going to be doing exclusively on Instagram, and we are going to be hoping that you guys follow us and share it with your friends so that they can actually follow us, so that they can actually learn what it does. A lot of people are getting collaborations these days because they are able to get a large following, and not just a large following, an engaging following. The people who are influencers on social media are not the ones that are more wealthy. They are not the ones that own businesses. No, there are people who actually use these social media platforms very well. Now, when they say use it very well, we are trying to be social. That's why it's called social media. Yeah, so that's why it's social. I'm going into tutorial, so let me just cut out there. Have a nice day. Thank you.